Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and this lecture I am going to teach you Dcount, Dcounta, Dminimum, Dmaximum, Dproduct and Daverage. First we'll learn Dcount. So let's learn Dcount. Definitely we have learned this Dcount definitely function in our previous lecture, but in this lecture I will tell you the difference between Dcount and Dcounta. First we will learn Dcount. As you know, in order to start any formula, we have to use is equals to. Definitely we use is equals to. Then the name of the function or formula. Then we have to give all the database, mean this. Then we give the comma and then we have to tell the column. Definitely this is the column. Definitely this column answer I want. Then I have to tell where will I write or where I'll write definitely. And I say enter. So now it's giving me 3. Getting me. So what is it telling us? That's telling that how many times Naveed came. Definitely Naveed first time, second and third. Definitely Naveed came. How many times Naveed came? Naveed came 3 times. Getting me? So this is what this formula is saying to us. And what is this? If I confuse, actually it's nothing. I just copy it, and definitely I paste it here. Getting me? And definitely in the place of Naveed, you can also you say that Kamran. So definitely Kamran came just 1 time. So definitely showing 1. Getting me? So in the place of Naveed, Kamran, in the place of Kamran, you can also write Hussein. Getting me? So here just we type the name, and we get the answer here. Then what do we have next? We have Dcounta. So definitely we say Dcounta, not Dcount, Dcounta. So definitely we say Dcounta. Then we have to give all the definitely. Again we have to write. So definitely we say Dcounta. Then we give all the database, then comma, and then we have to tell the field. Definitely this time I say salesman, and then I will select this. And as you can see that definitely showing the both are definitely both function are giving the same answer. For example, in the place of Kamran, if I say Naveed, so definitely 3 3. So what is the difference between Dcount and Dcounta? If you have watched my previous lecture on Dcount, count and counta, so you will get the difference. If you don't know, so definitely I will tell you now the difference. If we talk about count, if we just talk about count, so definitely count just counts numbers. Definitely it just sees number. If we talk about counter, so counter sees everything, means number, or you can say alphabets, everything. So as you can see that in this formula, we selected this this column. So definitely what is seeing, definitely if we say Naveed, so definitely saying number 1. If we say definitely Naveed, definitely say number 10. If we say Naveed, definitely 12. So actually it is counting numbers. But if we talk about counter, so counter is counting names, because we gave salesman. So definitely say Naveed 1 time, Naveed 2nd time, and Naveed 3rd time. Getting me? And if you want to see, if you want to check this, so definitely we can also check this in the place of amount. If I say salesman, so now it's giving me 0, because count cannot count alphabets. Getting me? So if we go back, definitely, so definitely in this time we are counting numbers. Getting me? So count just count numbers, and counter counts everything, means numbers, alphabets, everything. Definitely we can also get the maximum and minimum value. For example, if we talk about salesman Naveed, so if I want to know that the minimum value of Naveed, definitely I can take out the minimum value. How? See, as you know, in order to start any formula, we have to use equals to, then the d minimum. Definitely we'll open the bracket, then we'll give all the database, then comma, and then we have to tell the column name, and then definitely we select this, and now showing the minimum value Naveed earned. So definitely minimum value Naveed earned definitely 10. If you want to know the maximum value, so definitely we can also get the maximum value as well. So the formula will remain same, means the syntax will remain same, definitely, and then we'll tell this, and definitely we say this definitely is showing the maximum value. And if you want the product, we can also get the product. It is a little bit different, so definitely I will tell you now. Definitely same database, then comma, and then amount, definitely, and then says definitely. Actually what is doing, it is giving us the product. For example, if you see Naveed, so definitely Naveed 10, and definitely Naveed 2nd time 10, so 10 multiplied by 10. Naveed 3rd time, so definitely 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 12, 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 12, and the answer is 1200. Getting me? And if you want to get the average, that okay, salesman Naveed, if you want to get the average of him, definitely you can use the average. How I use this formula, let's see. If I say d average, and the last formula d average, and definitely we have to give all the database, and definitely give all the database, then comma, and definitely this column and this definitely cell. So now it's giving me the average of Naveed. Okay, so in this lecture what did we learn? We learned decount, and definitely count just count numbers, and counter counts everything, numbers, alphabets, everything. Minimum, definitely we learned the minimum value, definitely we can also take out the minimum value, maximum, product, and average. So I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture, and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplus.com. Allah fi aman Allah, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.